In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change TikTok business information. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to update the details that represent your brand on TikTok. Start by opening your web browser and heading to TikTok.com. Using the desktop site keeps everything visible in one place and makes editing business details straightforward. Once the homepage loads, look to the upper right and click Log In. If the layout looks slightly different for you, don't worry. TikTok occasionally updates its interface, but the option will still be near the top of the page. Next, choose Continue with a social media account. Pick the same method you normally use to access your TikTok business account so everything links correctly. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete sign-in. Depending on your provider, you may need to confirm your identity or approve a quick verification. Take your time here and make sure you're logging into the correct business profile. After you're in, go to your profile. You'll usually find the profile icon at the upper right. In some layouts, it may appear on the left. Click it, then select View Profile to open your public-facing page. This is the best place to preview changes as you make them. On your profile page, click Edit Profile. This opens the panel where business details live. Here, you can update items like your display name and username, bio, profile photo or video, and other business-related fields provided by TikTok. Keep your information consistent with your brand elsewhere online. Use a clear business name, a concise bio that communicates what you do, and a recognizable logo or headshot. If TikTok shows fields for your website or category, add accurate, up-to-date information. Be mindful of character limits and community guidelines, avoid special characters that might not be allowed, and double-check for spelling and formatting. As you edit, pause to preview how your profile will look to new visitors. Consistency builds trust, so align your tone, imagery, and keywords with your broader marketing. If a field appears locked or uneditable, it may be restricted temporarily or require additional verification. That's normal for some business features. When you've finished your updates, click Save. If the button is grayed out, it usually means no changes have been detected yet, or a required field is incomplete. Once saved, give it a moment. Some changes appear instantly, while others may take a short time to reflect or undergo review. That's it. You've successfully updated your TikTok business information, ensuring your profile clearly represents your brand and is ready for viewers, customers, and partners.